Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. What shall it profit you if you don't subscribe? Like, see all this gorgeousness and finesse. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a former subscriber, you're back again too. I don't deserve you guys. And I love you so much. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to slay your scarves in the easiest and simplest manner. Like 3 minutes slay, 2 minutes slay, 1 minute slay. So if you want to see how I achieved all of those looks that you guys saw, keep watching. So I don't think I need to talk too much now. Let's just dive into the video. Hi guys, to start with, I'm going to be wearing my wig cap. I just like to wear this cap because some people like to tie a scarf underneath, but I think that's too much load. I just wear my wig cap and put a scarf to give my head that volume effect and full effect. This video was supposed to be a talk through video, so that's why you can see my lips moving. I was actually talking. I wanted it to be a talk through, but when I listened to the audio after, there were so many background noises and I just couldn't post it that way. So to tie this scarf, I just put that at the back of my head, make sure it's equal, tie it in front. The scarf just gives me that air effect, makes me feel like I have air and shake it. So I'm just going to tie a knot in front and tie it again. You can tie it once, you can tie it 3 times. It depends on the kind of look you are going for. And I'm going to take one side of it and lay it flatly all the way to the other side of my head. I apologize if I'm sounding some kind of way. I'm just recovering, guys. I've been a little bit under the weather for about 1 week now, but I wanted this video to go up today because consistency, you know what I'm saying. And if you can hear any background noises, just know that it's because I'm filming. Sorry, I'm doing this voiceover in the morning. I always do my voiceovers in the midnight, but I needed rest. So I'm just going to tilt my my head wrap to one side because I don't like it being in the middle. I don't know. I feel like it demarcates my face. Give there. So for this look, I'm just going to be putting it at the back of my head, putting my head wrap, make sure that it's equal. And I just do like a crisscross thing in front. Then I start creating like loose twists. I make sure the twist is very loose. This look is actually highly requested. When I used it on my mother or my WhatsApp, everybody was asking me how I tied it. And here it is, very simple. All these head wrap styles are very simple. So I'm just going to tilt my scarf like always because I don't want it to be in the middle. Then I'm going to just tuck the excess fabric inside because obviously I can't bring it back to the other side. Don't worry, the scarf is very soft. If you're working with a longer scarf, don't be bothered, just tuck it in. It's going to look like you have hair, especially because of the scarf that has been formally placed in your wig cap, so don't bother. So I further just going to adjust my head wrap and voila, Fissy baby pepper. So for this look, I'm just going to place it in front of my head. Make sure is it in front of my head rather. Make sure it's tight and equal on the same side. Then you want to take one side of the scarf and place it flatly all the way to the other side of the scarf, like I'm doing. This style is the simplest style ever, and I just create like loose because I don't want to tie. I just create like loose twists to hide the excess, just to give it definition, not even to hide. And see, I think it looks cool. So this is the 4th look, I think. So I'm just going to place the head wrap on my head, make sure that the 2 sides are equal, and just ties at the back of my head like a crisscross. Put the left in the right and the right in the left. That was such a tongue twister. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. So this style is very common and simple, but I think it's really cute. That's why I thought to just include it in this video. You just create a twist and bring it all the way to the other side of your head or your face, and just, I don't know, it's just so cute. This this look is one of my favorites. I just really like this look because it gives me matured vibes. So I'm just going to place it on my head like I did earlier on and tie it behind. Make sure it, I like my scarf tight. Sometimes I just want to braid, sometimes I want it to be really tight. So I just place it flatly all the way to the other side, and do likewise to the other side too. So it gives me like a crisscross thing. Then I just interchange them. I think that's the best word like I used to describe it. Just twist it twice. Just twist it twice, and I'm going to arrange this the pleats and just make sure that it's perfectly in position and it's just fine. Then I lay it flatly. I go all the way back, I lay it flatly, and look for like a slot to tuck the excess in. I don't use pins when I'm tying my head wrap because I cannot allow pin choke my head. So I just look for another slot and tuck the other excess into it. So I just love head wraps because on days that you're having a bad head day, you're a naturalista, and you can't even, like, you're rushing and you can't take care of your hair, just throw on head wrap and you're good to go. So you can just wear your lip gloss or pop on your earrings like I did in this video and go out and slay. Go out and slay hard. Guys, are you feeling this beauty? I practically danced throughout this video. I had so much fun filming this video. For this look, I'm going to be placing the scarf behind my head, bringing it to the front. I make sure that the two sides are equal, and then I tie a knot. This tie can be quite tricky, so you have to like pay attention. Just like when you want to tie a bow, I'm going to act like I want to tie a knot, and then I'm going to use my left hand to bring the one at the right side in, just like that. Then I just tilt it to the back and throw all of the excess fabric on the back, and I begin to roll. I'm sorry I was out of frame a little bit here, guys, I apologize. Then I just roll it and just tuck it into the excess fabric when I was tying the knot in the first place. Then I'm just going to tuck it in and make sure it has a nice finish. This is like a very nice updo. So I'm just going to keep arranging and tucking everything in until it looks fly and nice. So I just keep going in to adjust my head wrap until I like what I see. Give them, come on. If you've watched up to this point, you're a real G, and I don't take it for granted. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. And if you have subscribed to my channel and you've not watched all my other videos, go and binge watch my other videos, guys. Go and watch them. Please like my video, share, don't watch them, I've given you permission to share. Leave me a comment and turn on your post notifications. This style is the truth. It's so simple. You just tie a knot, take the two sides all the way to the back, and adjust it, and if you want, you create loose twists like I did, and you're ready to slay. If you recreate any of these headwrap styles, please tag me on Instagram. Thank you for watching my video. I love you guys. Bye. It's the video. I'm saying no sense. Coming. Hey. Wait. Oh Jesus. Corey, stop it and start again. So much. Corey, stop and play it again. I love you so much. Corey, stop and play it again.